All right, we're done with the dip step, which pattern is dip, dip up. Now this time we're going to do the basic one. So the pattern is in, out. I'm going to show you how it looks like when you do it with the bamboo poles or the markings. All right, so here we are again with the two markings on the floor. So I'm gonna do it slow and then I'm gonna do it on tempo. Here we go. In, out, 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 out. When it's fast, you go out, 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 out. So you start first with the slow again. In, out, in, out. That's it. I hope you'll enjoy hopping and jumping like a tickling bird when you do this basic step. Good luck! Oh, and one more thing. We're going to do it with the music at the end of all this dance step. Don't worry.